everyone, in today's video, we'll fix the issue where your Roblox is not sending you two-step verification code when you're trying to log in into your PC. So let's just get right into it. You can start by checking your internet and login info. Go to your Wi-Fi section here and find the internet that you're connected to, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And in Roblox itself, make sure you are logged in with the correct email or phone number linked to your Roblox account once you head over to the login page. Another thing is you can just go ahead and open up your email and search for Roblox to check for spam or promotion folder. So go to your email. Let's see, I would like to go here, and once you reach over the email, you can look out for Roblox emails here. And you can just go ahead and look out for spam folders here. And if there's any folder, like any code available from Roblox, you can try recovering it from here and look it. You can even look out for trash and see if it has been there or not. And apart from that, make sure your email inbox is not full as well. And if the email does not work, what you can do is you can try recovering it with anything else instead, like your phone number. So in the section, if your email does not work, you can try using your phone number instead, or even your username. Or you can go to this option called forgot password or username, click on it, and you can start the process of resetting your account. You can type your email or phone number in the section and click on next, and that should confirm it up and do it for you. And sometimes the PC browser also blocks the Roblox emails, so you can try logging in from different browsers. If you're using Chrome, you can use any other browser, for example Edge or anything else. For example, I'm gonna use this one right here, and you can go to roblox.com for that, and from there go to the login page and try logging in into their account. And if nothing else works, you can go to Roblox support and submit a ticket and provide your username and linked email so that they can help. And that's it. Now you should be able to fix your Roblox not sending two-step verification codes. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.